And today, of course, we're going with the highest T500. The moto e-bike will have 10 horsepower more with the exhaust. Man, so, yeah, let's go to the highway and rapid full acceleration, man.
Next time we're back again. Pow!
What up, Electro Brass? Lexi back with another super hilarious video. Yeah, like last one, everyone liked it when I mount this rear exhaust. That's the real deal. Nah, today, as you see, we're going to highway. We're going to highway pretty fast, y'all. I'll show you the performance. I guess at least the moto e-bike will have 10 horsepower more with the exhaust. Man, I promise. No joke, y'all. And today, of course, we're going with the highest T500 sound module. It's gonna be amazing. I hope people are not scared because of the super loud noise. T500 is mounted. Here we go. And I see I have some additional camera here. I have some additional camera. Yeah, we will see how this part performs because it's an official Energica mod. And of course not. I'm just kidding. Hey, to be honest, I even don't know if this is legal, because everything you change in Switzerland is illegal. Whatever, even mirrors, even whatever. So, and my setup is pretty, yeah, sports mode, no regen, full power on Energica. So funny. Yeah, let's go to the highway and rapid full acceleration, man. I will show you full power on Energica. Woo! Do you feel the power? Do you feel the power? But, you know, the hilarious part of this video really is, it's just because there are some people out there with internal combustion bikes. They're spending thousands of dollars for an exhaust, man.
Bruh.
I bought this one on, yeah, I guess Amazon or somewhere else, internet, some website, I don't know. Yeah, it's pretty cheap. Yeah, $10. And you can join the club, you know, of yeah, Turbo Spoke Riders, y'all. You can join the family. Be a part, and of course you got a lot of respect with that. Oh yeah, end of construction site ahead, so yeah, we can rev it. Let's see how it performs with the exhaust, man. Yo, once again, here we go, brass. Yeah, rap. Man, I feel the performance of this two-stroke society. It's so strong, man. It's so strong. Now, to be honest, I guess the exhaust will cause more wind drag, whatever. Yeah, but it's for the memes, you know. Yeah. But since from that angle of view, maybe this is the first Energica with real motorcycle sound. What an invention! I will sell it to Energica for $1,000, man. Make some business out of it. Oh shit, yeah. Whatever. So here we are. Maybe you remember I did this charger video a little more than a year ago. This was on this charging station here. Awesome, man. Let's hit the brakes, Lexi. Woo! Here we have to drive conservative, not don't scare people with the exhaust, man. Drive slow, man, please. Show respect to others, man. Yeah, here the real motorcycle gang, man. Whatever. So yeah, I hope you liked the video, whatever. And this was a short one, just showing you the performance of the turbo spoke mod. Can recommend it to anyone. And here we go, last acceleration, highway, super torgy. Look at this car and oh, here we go. BRAaaP. So I hope you liked this video, just because it's hilarious. And don't forget, ride fast, charge fast, like always. Lexi out.